the file system error 21471638990 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is scan your system with chkdsk scan. Go to Windows Search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute the command chkdsk. Here replace with your drive letter in place of C. If your drive letter is D, then replace it D and press enter. It will scan your system for drive error. The next one is also execute sfc scan now command to scan your system for corrupted files. sfc /scan now and press enter and let the window complete the scanning process till 100%. After that, restart your system and check whether your file system error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, run the Windows Store Troubleshooter. Go to my Windows Search, type Store Troubleshoot and open Find and Fix Problems with Windows Store Apps. Open it. Click on Advanced, apply repairs automatically and press Next. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. The next workaround to fix this issue is press Win+R shortcut key to launch Run command window. And here execute the command wsreact.exe to clear Microsoft Store caches. It will clear all caches of Microsoft Store and try to help to fix your file system error. Again, go to Windows settings and uninstall any recent update if you installed or after that this file system appears. So go to update history, scroll down and choose uninstall updates, and here uninstall recently installed updates from which you are facing such file system error on your system. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch Run command box by pressing Win+R shortcut key and type RSTRUI to launch System Restore window. In System Restore windows, restore system files and settings. Click on Next. Choose a system restore point. You may show more restore points. Tap on it and choose a system restore point and click on Next and finally confirm your restoration point. After that, restart your system. Your file system error will definitely resolved. That's all.